Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure project management with Asana. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Asana account. From the dashboard, click on the plus button to create a new project. Choose a project template that best fits your needs, or start with a blank project. Enter a descriptive name for your project. Click on Create Project to set it up. Once the project is created, invite your team members by clicking on the Share button. Enter their email addresses and assign appropriate permissions. Begin by adding tasks to your project by clicking on the Add Task button. Break down larger tasks into subtasks for better clarity. Assign tasks to specific team members to clarify responsibility. Set due dates to keep everyone on track. Use tags and sections to categorize tasks effectively. Enable notifications to stay updated on project progress. Utilize the comments section within each task for team communication. Attach relevant files to tasks for easy access. Create milestones to mark key dates and goals. Regularly review project progress and adjust tasks as needed. Use Asana's reporting features to analyze project performance. Hold regular check-ins with your team to ensure everyone is aligned. Consider integrating other tools your team uses with Asana for better workflow. Finalize your project plan and communicate it to all stakeholders. Check in periodically to ensure the project stays on track and address any issues. By following these steps, you can effectively secure project management with Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.